How to change privacy group settings on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your Facebook. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook account where you also have a group. Then tap onto your profile. You will see a page like this. Tap onto groups and then tap on manage. As you do so, it will show you all the groups that you have created and that you are an admin of. So tap onto the group. In my case, I would like to manage this group. So tap on manage. Scroll below, then here under settings, tap on group settings. As you do so, under basic group information, tap privacy. Now, in my case, this says private. You may go ahead and set it to public or whichever you would like. Once done, tap on next and likewise confirm your action. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.